Walking on two legs is what sets us apart. But how did evolution reshape our bodies to make this possible? New research reveals a dramatic transformation. Two genetic shifts that rebuilt the pelvis and unlocked the secret of upright walking. The pelvis is the keystone of upright locomotion. In apes, tall, narrow hip bones support climbing. In humans, the pelvis flares outward, forming a bowl that helps us balance while striding on 2 feet. For decades, scientists knew the human pelvis was unique, but not how it got that way. Now Harvard researchers have finally uncovered the genetic blueprint that reshaped our lower body. The first key shift happened early in development. Growth plates that ran head to tail in apes flipped sideways in humans, shortening and widening the pelvis in one stroke. The second change delayed bone hardening inside the pelvis. This allowed the structure to keep its broad, bowl-like shape as it grew, fundamentally changing the geometry of our hips. The team identified over 300 genes at work. 3 stood out: SOX9 and PTH1R, which controlled the shift in growth plates, and RUNX2, which changed the timing of bone formation. These shifts likely began when our ancestors split from African apes. By 4.4 million years ago, Ardipithecus already showed a pelvis partway between tree climbing and upright walking. By 3.2 million years ago, Lucy's pelvis had fully flaring hip blades, powerful anchors for bipedal muscles. From then on, all hominins built their pelvis in a way no other primate ever had. As our brains grew larger, the pelvis faced new pressures. Narrow hips made walking efficient, but wide hips were needed to give birth to big-brained babies. Evolution's solution was delayed ossification, balancing both demands. This research shows that human pelvis evolution followed a unique path, one that can't be explained by ape models. Our pelvis wasn't just tweaked, it was completely re-engineered. 2 genetic shifts changed everything, turning tree-climbing apes into walkers who would one day trek across the planet. For more groundbreaking discoveries about human evolution and the science that shapes our story, subscribe to LG News.